Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix could not add card. Try again later or contact your card issuer for more information. So guys, if you are trying to add card to your Apple device but you are facing this issue and you are unable to add your card, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and then scroll it below and tap on general and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version, and if there is any update available for you, simply update it. Then go back and now tap on date and time and set your date and time from here. Then go back and tap on language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Then go back and go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if there is any, simply disconnect it. And after this, go back and now you have to open your profile and now scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. So guys, simply sign out your Apple ID, and after this you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, and after this go to your wallet and Apple Pay and now tap on add card, and now you have to add your card from here. So guys, simply tap on debit or credit card or other options, whichever you want, then tap on continue and now hold your card in front of the cam and your card will be added. And if you still face this problem, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information or help, or you have to simply contact your card issuer for further information and help as well. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.